Mohammad Hafeez is a Pakistani international cricketer. Hafeez is a versatile batsman who can bat anywhere in the top 6 and forms part of the bowling attack. He is an all-rounder. He is known for his intelligent batting, but also for aggressive shot plays when needed. He retired from Test cricket after the third and final match against New Zealand in Abu Dhabi in December 2018, departing the ground for the final time in white clothing to a guard of honor from his teammates. He was the fourth international player to play in the Caribbean Premier League and the first Pakistani player to be named to be chosen for TWENTY20 tournament. He is nicknamed the Professor. The major teams for which he played are Pakistan, Lahore Lions, Guyana Amazon Warriors, Kolkata Knight Riders, Sargodha, Sui Gas Corporation of Pakistan. Hafeez scored his Test career best of 224 runs against Bangladesh in 2015 at Khulna during the Dancake series. In August 2018, he was one of the 33 players to be awarded a central contract for the 2018-19 season by the Pakistan Cricket Board. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.